Hi everyone, welcome to new video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Bluesky display name quickly and easily. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, open the Bluesky app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the hamburger menu icon at the top left corner and tap on it. Next, select Profile from the menu. On the Profile page, tap Edit Profile. Here, you'll see the option to edit your display name. If you already have a display name, it will appear here. You can either update it or create a new one. Once you've made the changes you want, don't forget to tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your Bluesky display name has now been updated. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Login Helps for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.